Hi again. This is part 2 of my video on how to make a simulation of rain. And we have the domain, this part, and the fluid. The sphere represents that shape. And we want to make changes in order to create the scene, the rain scene. If you select the sphere, you can see that it can be detached from the domain. Also, you could expand the domain, make it bigger. If you press S, and it's just expanding. Okay. But before everything, go to Add down here. Well, first put your cursor here on top of the sphere. Now Add and Plane. We want a ground actually, and do it like this, and let it behave like ground. It should be made large enough. Okay, select the domain and again make it large enough. S. Okay. Put it down here. Okay. If we run the simulator, we would have this. Look. Well, it's just okay. It should be here. Okay, and we have the rain. Okay, we have the rain. We would need to have some consideration regarding the actual things in nature, because these are only representations, and water is transparent in nature, so we would need to make sure that our simulation shows that transparency that is associated with water. So select the domain here and go to material. Okay. What we here have, this is the default. The color it's white. Also, the shining parameter. Just let it increase this a little bit. Where you have the preview, and you can see the changes. Check transparency. Let's close these. we want to make sure that we could follow the changes in the preview. And the Fresnel, which, like I said before, it's a kind of lens. Okay, it's becoming transparent and more transparent. Well, let's do it a little bit more. Yeah, it's now transparent enough, and let's increase the blend too. If we go to rendered to this mode, we could see that the changes are affecting. I mean, this is transparent, and if I run the simulator and stop it, and you could see water, I mean drops of water are falling. Okay, go back to the solid mode, and let's give some color to the ground. Here, select new. Well, this is material, and I would give, yeah, let's give it a brownish color. Well, I would also use a texture and give it some texture. For example, a new, we would give it a name, any name, and image or movie, and then I would choose marble. Well, let's use marble. What is that? Yeah, marble. Well, you could follow changes. I'll tell you how. And change this to white. Okay. Again, rendered mode. Well, we don't have light. That is why we don't see the changes. So let's go to texture and add some light. Lamp. Point. Let's bring it down. Yeah. Okay. Change the angle. Okay, if I get back to rendered, yeah, it's you could see that solid. Okay, I would also use world. This one, this blue icon here. Look, press, and we have the world. This way we could determine the color of the horizon. It's got to be okay. However, let me make it a little bit bright. Okay. Well, this is green, and make it darker. Yeah. Follow the change in rendered. Yeah, it's a combination like purple, dark purple. I gave the ground a green color. So let me go back to the ground and material and turn it to green, like it's an open field, and let it be darker. Okay, this has to be changed in texture, and so let it be green too, between green and yellow, light green. Let's see. Yeah, it's now okay in the preview. Well, it is like this. Okay, solid. Select this shape. Okay, this shape here. Actually, let's make it smaller. Scale and this. Select the sphere, the fluid here, and make it transparent too. Transparency, check this, and yeah, a little bit of white. Okay. Let's see how it is. Okay, it's okay. If I pull it a little bit up and do it again. Yes, it's working. The next step would be, I mean, you could see in the rendered mode. Okay. Be up there on this one. Okay, we will fix it when we're dealing with light and camera. It's okay now. For the time being, it's okay. Okay. Yeah. You would have to work with light and camera and kind of fix everything, because you need to have a perspective. That means the point of view where you look at the object. I mean, you look at the scene. And I've done all of these before, so kind of as a hint, you could do this. Pull it a little aside. And this solid, and you have the camera here. Okay, camera. First, let's see how it looks if we render the image. Yeah, I mean, it's part of that, and it might be already okay. I mean, it kind of serves the purpose we have here. Yeah. you would need to work with these parameters, texture, material, and colors and harmony among them. Also, the knowledge of nature and how things are in nature. The result of this project, I did this project already, is the simulation that is at the beginning of part 1. I will have it in this video too. Thank you very much.